This exercise is most commonly done with the kettlebell, but I will show you a dumbbell option later. You're going to loop your thumb through the kettlebell handle, holding it on the back side of your forearm. If you have really tight hamstrings, start with a wider stance. I don't want your legs locked out, but I don't really want them bent. You're going to hold the kettlebell up above your head. Whatever side that kettlebell is on, you're going to push your hips back at that 45-degree angle, reaching for your opposite toe. So in this example here, it's in my right hand, but I'm reaching for my left toe. Legs somewhat straight, core nice and tight, keeping my eye on that kettlebell. Keeping my eye on the kettlebell will keep it right above my shoulder. You'll also look closely, you'll see my hand rotate as I move downward. So as I go down to touch my toe, my hand rotates out. As I stand up, it rotates in. That's going to help your shoulder move in a natural position and keeping it straight up above that shoulder. Here on the side view, you can see that I am coming towards the camera view, so I'm pushing my hips back to the right at a 45-degree angle, keeping that kettlebell right above my shoulder with a rotation in the hand. So like I said, you can use a dumbbell. One, if your gym doesn't have kettlebells, or two, you just like the feel of this better, that's perfectly fine. Nothing really changes as far as your form, except for you're going to grip the handle of the dumbbell instead of looping your thumb through a kettlebell. Make sure that you rotate your handward out. That's again going to keep that shoulder feeling a little bit more natural. And you will feel some tightness more on one side than the other. That is normal. And you will also notice that you'll get a little bit more flexible as the reps go on and your sets.